Hey y'all, it's your girl M to the A-double-T-E-A, and welcome to the first episode of Keep It Buckin'. I wanted to show y'all what it's like working as a stable hand at a farm working with horses. Forget what I was yapping about, because baby, I honestly don't even know what the hell I was talking about, but I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. You see you? That's light bright. Start for these waters ready. Don't be. Oh shit! I'll be back. See, I am gonna be mucking some. What's up? Don't you? That is my favorite. Him is my favorite. She's pretty too, and then that's my other baby. So much, but horses, she will kick. Hey, Ladybug. You trying to bite? Ladybug. Oh. Hi. These two are very loving. As soon as I put the damn camera on. Oh. See, they put their heads down when I try to, not out of aggression, but just because they're so used to. She's trying to lick my shirt, trying to grab. Yes. Yeah, you wore. I ain't gonna hold you, Lightning, dude. Relationship. Sometimes he don't be messing with. Bite me. I'm like, what the hell be wrong with you? Talking about you. Just really all in my head. I tried to scream, but everyone seemed like they covered their ears. Like, can you hear me? Baby, I should ring the telephone man. Was it a 7 or a 9 or an 8 instead? Cause when I call you, don't pick up texts, it's left on red. Maybe I should go to God instead. No, he would listen when my heart feel like it's out of my chest. Oh, when it's late at night and I feel like I can't catch my breath. Been kinda lonely now, but maybe this is all for the best. Been praying more, so of course that means that I'm drinking less. I must confess that I get weary from battling these spirits. These demons got a hold, but I ain't battling alone. Know that my angel's always with me. Know that my angel's always with me. Yeah. make it all, make it all, make it all better. I'm on my knees, begging you please, Lord, could you just make it all better? Been through some strange things along the way, Lord, could you just make it all, make it all, make it all better? I've been here too long. So I'm just trying to make it out. My salvation, I'm holding on. I pray this here don't last. I pray the bad times pass. Cause I'm giving it all I got, but captivity's kicking my ass. Yeah, I guess I got to keep on going, keep on going, keep on going on. Guess I got to keep on going, keep on going, keep on going on. I said I just gotta find my way out of here. I said I just gotta find my way out of here. Yeah. And I said wasn't for this hard shit, I would probably be dead. Like picture painting in my room just to clear out my head. There's no sleep, cause it get hard when your belly unfed. And your people dying around you or incarcerated. And that's real, look realer than real. Like do you hear me? Got our hands up to the sky as we tell the cops don't kill me but he shoot. Like you bleed black and he bleed blue. He was only 23 trying to take his daughter to school. And that's why I've been praying the Lord to feed my demons. All my people out here dying and deceitful out here scheming. Yeah, it's just the type of pain that most can seem to understand. I pray that all my dogs just make it to the promised land. Like I just gotta find my way out of here. I said I just gotta find my way out of here. Yeah, this be that blackish like Afro puffs and skin tone like molasses. Like a revolutionary born to wait the masses. Like country blues and summer nights spent at my granny house. These nappy roots, they run deep, get it from my daddy's. I say dark like midnight, skin shines like gold, yeah. My Savior's image has resemblance to my own, yeah. I sweet depictions of the heavens reigned above, yeah. Like holy hymnals, angels sing the sweetest song said. Forget they table, the sanctification of a nation. Preaching power to my people, then hopes that it elevates them. Let them know that they get deeper, pale faces resemble Satan. Be the Malcolm to my people, my sheep will hope you awaken. Like, said I be damned if I let the devil blind me. No, I've been divinely chosen, won't let no evil get beside me. Yeah, seems like my future shining brightly. Yeah, I said I just gotta find my way out of here. I said I just gotta find my way out of here.
another day here. And I didn't get to say hey to my mate. Hi. Hey, big boy. You don't like that. Grace. Great day. Wow. But yeah. So all I gotta do now is compile all. And I will be back. I need to figure out some more interesting ways to money. Because while I'm sure y'all will I'm not finna touch no snakes in the puss. But alright, y'all.